Hi, my name is Morris. I'm a member of the Yonex stringing team, and today I'm going to show you things you have to know about different gauge of badminton strings and the adjustment of the stringing clamps. Badminton strings have different gauge depending on the model. First, a Yonex BG65 with a gauge of 0.7 mm. Then a Yonex BG80 with a gauge of 0.68 mm. And last, the world's thinnest string, Yonex Aerosonic with a gauge of 0.61 mm. Here is the comparison between all. Accordingly, it's very important to adjust the clamps depending on the thickness of the string so that the tension is maintained and the string does not slip through the clamp. The clamp must close with a medium resistance when the string is inserted.